Te presentamos el video del juego MLB The Show 25 jugado con el emulador Ryujinx Canary 1.3.29 Win x64, firmware 19.0.1, podcast.net v19.0.1.
With Chris Singleton, I'm John Sciambi. Thanks for joining us. We're in the sixth and nobody out. Back here at the ballpark, coming off a series where they were red hot at the plate, and a look at the numbers. Yeah, that's fouled off.
Well, the game plan for this offense has been pretty clear. They're being aggressive at the plate, but still finding ways to pick their spots without falling into the habit of being over-aggressive. And the numbers back it up, too. 9 of their hits so far have come on pitches within the first 3 pitches of the at-bat, so they're having a lot of success there.
Caught him looking for the K.
Well, I think that's a case of overthinking right there. He got 3 straight fastballs looking in the 0-2 count just to pour it back.
Pedro Pajes digs in now. He's already homered here in this one. That's too low. And it's 1-0. And another ball.
When you get ahead in the count, there's no doubt that the success rate goes up, and that's what he's been doing. It's made a big impact for him in recent games.
Swing and a ground ball, base hit right field. Pulls that one foul. Line drive, and it's caught for the out.
It's never fun going back to the dugout after hitting the line drive that finds a glove, but you will get some high fives. You know, when you make great contact, you feel like you've done everything right. But in this game of baseball, not everything is in your control.
Mullins in the box now. No balls and a strike. And it's fouled away. And down on strikes. And he's registered 3 Ks in this one. 1, 2, 3 go the Cardinals as it remains an 8-0 game. Welcome back as we take a look at how today's starting pitchers have fared so far.
There we go.
Palante back to work. The shortstop takes the ball.
Well, these Brewers finding ways to get on base, but they still need help driving them home. They only have 1 hit with runners in scoring position, so a lot of squandered opportunities. It's tough. Because those are moments you just can't get back.
In the air, right field, Mullins. And there's one down.
Up next for the Brewers, the designated hitter.
Here comes Christian Yelich. 0 for 2 in this one. That one's in there. Strike one.
Some hitters are just more confident if they can track that first pitch out of the hand of the pitcher. They don't care if they fall behind 0-1.
1 out, bases empty. Next offering is fouled back. The 0-2.
I don't like to say he wasted a pitch. I think that was a purpose pitch. Change the eye level, have him look up. Now go back exactly where you want to go.
Ground ball right side and foul ball. Bases empty, 1 away here in the bottom of the 6th. That's inside, and it's 2-2.
Really good take, especially with 2 strikes.
He goes down looking. Chris, 3rd time through the order, and a couple of quick outs for the starter.
Yeah, he's been very frugal today, economical with the pitch count.
And now it's William Contreras. And the first pitch is drilled in the air out to center. Walker makes the play, and it's out number 3. Back here at the ballpark, let's check out the latest news from around the league. And that's through there for a strike. 0-1. Slow ground ball to the right side. To first. That's the first out in the top of the 7th.
Good fade and sinking action of that changeup. Got that hitter to roll over.
The first baseman, Wilson.
Here's Contreras now. Singy, you can't ask for anything more. This guy checks all the boxes offensively.
He is the ultimate professional, and it doesn't just start at game time. It starts in the afternoon, the way he prepares and gets ready for the ball game. I tell you what, his teammate.
Oh, now this is blasted. Way back there. On its way. Gone. And he's gone yard again. That's his 3rd home run of the game. It's 9-0. Singy, he's been red hot.
Yeah, another big swing of the bat for him. Man, he is really seeing the ball well in this one. He's putting on quite the show at the dish here in this one, and he's just so locked in with this swing, and he's just not missing right now. A 3-homer game, man, it's so special. And I tell you what, it's a lot of fun watching him pull it off as well.
And here comes the Brewers manager to the mound. Pitching change coming. D.L. Hall won't go any further tonight. And as he heads for the dugout, we'll take a quick break. New arm on the mound when we get back.
Now pitching
The left-hander on now, Jared Koenig.
And he's coming in to pitch on 4 days rest right here. And that might not be a factor at all in terms of being rusty, but he should definitely be well rested.
Here's Nolan Gorman. 0 for 3 in this one. Pitch misses there. Ball 1. One out, bases empty, and a run in here in the top half of inning number 7. Hard grounder into the outfield for a knock.
Now batting, the designated hitter.
One gone, runner at first. And next is the designated hitter, Alec Burleson. Popped up. Terang. Puts it away for the out. 2 down.
Now batting, the third baseman, Nolan Arenado.
Here's Nolan Arenado. 1 for 3. And first offering is fouled off. And a swing and a line drive into right field. He's got it, and that is that. Welcome back. Taking a look at our game summer.
The left fielder, Jackson Del Rio.
We're back in a new pitcher here to start the bottom of the 7th.
And he's got a nice lead to work with, so he should come in throwing strikes, attacking these hitters.
Ryan Fernandez.
That one finds the corner. That's strike 1. He's a bullpen arm that keeps the ball in the ballpark, but obviously out of the bullpen, you're looking to limit home runs.
Yeah, and that's why he's such a high leverage arm. Just doesn't matter for him. He looks at attacking the zone and attacking hitters regardless of the situation.
Pajes right there to make the grab. 1 down.
That was a good pitch to hit right down the heart of the plate. Had pretty good timing on it. Just got underneath it a little bit and popped it up.
And here is Hoskins. And the first pitch misses for ball 1.
Ball 1, no strike.
Next offering is fouled back.
Instead of letting the hitter get his arms extended, tied him up a little bit, slightly up, slightly in.
Late with the swing there.
It might be time to choke up a little bit, get that front foot down early, maybe even just spread out. He's really late right now.
1 down, base is empty. Foul ball still, a 1-2 count. Just missed. The Cards up big in this one. Still 2-2 after the foul ball. Got him looking for the strikeout. Not sure about that call. Pitcher might have gotten a friendly strike 3. Didn't agree with the call at the plate right there.
Now, Boog, in a game like this, that's just too close to take. It's a blowout game. Guys have been out here for a while. Umpire's saying, hey, let's go. Cut it loose. Swing the bat.
2 outs, base is empty. Up now for Milwaukee, Blake Perkins. Right through there for a strike. Right-handed reliever. Swings through that one.
Great velocity at 97 at the top of the zone.
Let's do this, Brewers.
The next pitch misses. Now 1-2.
0-2 fastball way out of the zone. I think he's trying to speed him up. Got to stay back. Off speed's probably coming.
Let's go, Brewers.
And a swing and a miss. And it's a 1-2-3 inning. Nobody left for Milwaukee, and they're down 9-0. This game's a bit of a blowout, Singy. Let's talk about something random.
Let's do it.
Singy, where do you stand on the wave?
Well, the wave of star players in MLB or the wave around this ballpark?
The wave around the ballpark.
I think it's a little outdated. I'm more of a Thundersticks guy.
And that's not outdated. And it's through for a hit. So a runner aboard to start the inning.
The batter, the shortstop, Mason.
And now the shortstop, Mason Wynn.
Went down looking on 3 pitches last time. Let's see if he can be a little more aggressive right here.
Swing and a ball popped in the air. Koenig hauls it in, and there's one away.
Now batting, catcher Pedro Pajes.
Pedro Pajes will hit next. He's already homered in this game. Just missed. Koenig, in his second season, he features a sinker, a cutter, a curve, and he works in a changeup. Swing and a ball hammered left field. That's back. Out of here. Another homer. His second home run of the game. It's 11-0. That's their 5th homer of the game.
Man, they're all getting into the action. It's starting to feel like a home run derby up here. Just an excellent swing all the way around, and it had that sound coming off the bat that gets everyone's attention. Got a pitch to drive, short to the baseball, squared it up, and the backspin carried it out of here.
Stepping in, Cedric Mullins. And there's a ball. Still only 1 out here in the inning. Ripped, but it curls foul. Right through there for a strike. Hard hit left side. Fires over to Hoskins, and they get Mullins for the out.
Now batting, left fielder, Brendan.
And stepping in for the Cardinals, Brendan Donovan. Misses inside. 1-0. Ground ball to the right side. He takes it himself to the bag, and that'll do it. Back here in Milwaukee, here's the third baseman.
The third baseman, Wilker.
First pitch doesn't find the zone. That one in there across the letters.
Big at bat right here. He did the team thing, took until he got a strike. Now he's got to go to work, shorten up that swing a little bit, do whatever it takes to get on base.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
lands another, and that's 3 straight strikeouts.
That's tough. You see it well. I mean, that was clearly up and out of the strike zone, but that's one of the hardest things.
The right
You know,
fielder.
when you see a pitch out of the hand at eye level, that discipline to remember, I can't hit that pitch. If I can see it really well at eye level, I can't catch up to that pitch when a pitcher's got this kind of velocity.
1 down, base is empty. Check swing, and he went. And the count is 0-2.
2 balls, 2 strikes.
Battling here as he fouls it away. Making 4 strikeouts in a row, just cruising along.
Not the best location with the fastball
batting,
on strike
the
3,
second
but
baseman.
when you're pumping high 90s, you'll get away with some of those, more margin for error. You know, the fastball has become such a huge strikeout pitch in the sport, and I think a lot of it has to do with all the attention and emphasis on improved spin rates. These fastballs are just exploding out of the pitcher's hands and jumping through the zone.
And first offering is fouled off. Two down, nobody on. Just missed.
He's great hitting the ball the other way, and that pitch did a good job to straighten him up a bit. Mission accomplished.
That one finds the zone, and it's 1-2.
Back-to-back fastballs in. That last one called for a strike. Probably go away, but look for him to come back in there to try to finish you off.
Popped up left side, win. And makes the play, and that's out number 3. Gone in order are the Brewers. They trail in this one 11-0.